morning. Sorry I did not film the load in because I didn't have much time this morning and we're already 15 minutes behind schedule. So we really got to get on the road. I'm going to make this brief. It's Gunther's birthday. Actually, it was last week, but this is his camping trip because his birthday falls right around 4th of July and I just don't camp during holidays. So we are celebrating Gunther this time. And the first thing is a new activity that we have an appointment we got to get to. Oh, funny story. So we were working on the firewood shed and trying to straighten up the posts, and I was on the top of the ladder and struggling, and I walked the ladder off the edge and came crashing down and luckily caught myself with my hand. So I have a sprained thumb. It's 2 weeks old. It's not too bad though. So anyway, let's get out of here. So you could take the bridge across the river, but where's the fun in that? When you could take a boat. God, do you just drive up there? Guess we'll find out. I Googled it. Have a good day. Thanks, you too. What do you think, bud? We're on a boat. I'm on a boat. Pee-pee? Because you can't pee-pee in the barn. In case you did not know, Gunther is a dachshund. And while dachshunds are cute little weenie dogs, they were also bred for hunting. They have big hound dog noses for picking up scents, wide feet for digging into tunnels, short legs for fitting into them, and deep chests to hold plenty of air while they're inside. He does get a lot of joy from tracking and chasing. So when I heard about barn hunting, I thought he would love it. He would get to express those instincts without hurting anyone. In barn hunting, the dog's goal is to find a hidden rat purely by scent as quickly as possible. Yeah, so since he's lost that lower canine, his blep has gotten a little list to it.
Hi, kitty patooties. Happy birthday, little man. Oh, goodness gracious. This is some pretty good stuff.
Oh boy.
Because now we're talking.
He's like, oh yeah.
Now we're talking. This lady's not so bad, Mom.
Yeah, like this.
She's got the good stuff. Maybe do we feed a rat? I have to do this kind of thing first, at least get him semi-comfortable. Otherwise, what's the point?
Yeah.
How old is he?
He's 13.
13.
He just turned a week ago.
What in the world is this? Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, there's the good stuff again. Yeah, check this out. Check that out. What a good boy. Ooh, yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Pet him when he does that. That's totally fine. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. These rats are very spoiled.
Yeah, they're very well cared for.
Yes,
and all of that.
They don't have any issues with dogs jumping and biting at them and stuff like that. You could see he was coming up going, hey, that smells good. I want a piece of that.
Yeah, he's totally in there just eating some ham. He is unbothered and thriving.
Good boy. Good boy. These rats, they literally almost fight each other. They go, no, it's my turn to get in. It's my turn to get in. You're too much. Good boy. How do I get in there? Good boy. Yes, very good boy. Super duper.
Where is it? Go find it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good job. I'm sure you're probably wondering, what do the rats think of all this? Like, are they okay? These guys literally do not give a rat's ass about Gunther. They just went about their little lives, grooming themselves, fluffing up their bedding, and just chilling out. They are pampered pets, and this is just like a job for them. You're just gonna sneeze at it?
Yeah, okay, Blue. You may start when you are ready.
Find rat.
Good boy. Good boy, Blue. Good boy.
Are you taking notes?
And his rat's gonna be right over here, bud. And I'm gonna pull it up a little bit further because Blue's more advanced than him.
Okay.
And just let him tell him whatever you want and see if he goes and finds the rat.
Okay, Gunther. Come on, we're gonna go through here. And do your thing.
Good job, sweetie.
Where is it? Where is it? Go find it.
Good job. You found the odor. Good working it.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Good job.
That's a good job, sweetheart.
You nailed it. He's gonna make friends with that guy.
See, I'm enjoying my time. You said it was my day, so I'm taking my sweet time.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. I think Gunther had fun. And now he's pooped. But we gotta hit the road and get some lunch because I am hungry.
You're listening to Radio Lab. From
WNYC.
He's a little slow moving after lunch and it's kind of warm out, so he's getting the luxury treatment today. Though some still debate the matter, Springfield is known as the basis for the Simpsons hometown. As such, there are a couple dozen Simpsons-themed murals around downtown. I found a Marge.
Excellent.
Blinky. That was kind of cool. It's kind of warm. It's like 78 degrees, so he's getting a little warm. I'm getting a little warm. I'm ready to go camping, so let's head to the woods. Holy moly. I heard it was low. They were not lying. Huh. Well, it's quieter. I'm glad I didn't rent a paddleboard. What are you smelling? Oh, there's a rodent hole. There's a rodent hole right there. Is that what you smell? Careful those blackberries. Kids have been busy. Making some structures. Initial impressions, it's not the most scenic spot that we visited so far, but credit for the size of this site. This is a vast campsite, and so far pretty quiet, very shady, which is appreciated because it's oh yeah, my watch is not updated, but the 4Runner said it was 86 degrees. My watch says it's 77 degrees. I'm not sure who to believe. All right, for Gunther's birthday, I got him a few things. He's had his cot basically since I adopted him 4.5 years ago. So it was starting to separate, and they don't sell new covers for it, so I bought him a whole new one. And this is the same one that he stole from our friend's dog when we camped last time. He seemed to like it, so I got him the exact same kind. Yeah. That's your new cot. A large camper is checking out the site next to mine. If I remember, it was really small though. Small and steep. So I don't think they're gonna go for it. Yeah, the first two, the ones on my left, are really small. So I don't know if you can see the 4Runner kind of sparkling down there. That's my site. This is the next site over. So that's how far apart they are. So another thing I got Gunther, he's had the same water bottle for a long time, and it works okay. It's a hand-me-down, but I saw this one came up on Prime Day, and it's got two bowls that just unscrew down here. So I think this bottom one is his dinner. It's a little early, but he did exercise quite a bit today. So I don't see why he couldn't have dinner early if he wants it. And then another one for his water. You know what's coming. All right, why don't we go over to the rug? Come have it in your bed. What? So I've tried bringing him chew sticks and things to camp before, and he always ignores them. And I think I found the key is to have his brother Holland chew on it first for a little bit. It both softens it up for his 3 teeth, and he feels like he's stealing something from his brother. It just occurred to me that I forgot my gallon jug of water. I do have a 30 ounce of water, which is usually just for coffee and stuff. And then I also have a couple hydro flasks, so I think we'll be okay. They do have water. I am talking, sir. They do have water stations. Is that a wren? Pacific wren? I'll have to look it up on Merlin. Off my thumb. I had these little night eyes button lights, and I'm trying to find places for them. So I put that one over the trash. I probably should have oriented it the other way, but now I got a little trash finder. I got one more present for Gunther. He's kind of pooped right now, so he probably won't play with it that much, but he has one of these, which I usually take camping, but it's really long, like the pole's like this big. So I found a little one. It's called a flirt pole. And it's great for dogs who love to chase, like that guy. So anyway, this one is the tail teaser from Outward Hound, and it was super cheap. I got 2 for $10. So now he's got a spare. Let's see if he reacts at all. What about you? Do you know what that is? Yeah, that's for you. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Oh, you do still have some energy left. Oh, it's good and crinkly. I'm not sure how long that lure is gonna last, so it's a good thing we got a spare. It's so hard to find the replacement lures. And that's actually what I was looking for, was a new lure to put on his old pole. And they're hard to find. It just has to be a toy with a loop on the end. Closer this way, though. Hey, if I could do the safety with my bum thumb. I can already see that I put my seating in the wrong area. At least maybe it'll keep the skeeters away. Again. Where are you? Too fast. Oh, so fierce. So fierce. You win. Why don't you get a drink of water, Mr. Tongue? I'm just bringing you your water. Don't get excited. Yeah, you're thirsty. Mm-hmm. I was just sitting here and do you see what I see? I might have to get a closer look. Am I going to risk life and limb to go over there and look at it? No, I'm not. What if it's a bolete? All right, hanging off of this tree, I can see there's a spider on it, and I think I see gills. So I'm gonna look. Good, how are you?
Doing good. You got everything you need?
Yeah.
I'm your camp host. I'm JP. So if you need, I love you. If you need anything, firewood or anything like that, come on up there. We got firewood for sale and all that. You're more than welcome to pick up dead wood.
That was nice. That was the camp host. I was like, who's that guy in the Jeep going by? Anyway, I was just about to say, I was at Nordstrom Rack. I was trying to find some clothes. Didn't find any good clothes at a decent price that fit me, but I did find this grilling basket that goes on a stick, but it's BYO stick, so I'm gonna find a stick. I'm trying another Instagram reel. So this person has been using these mini naan and stuffing them with things, and I think that is a great concept. I got the mini naan. These are the Stonefire brand. I was gonna get the Walmart brand, but the reviews were terrible, so they were dry. So Stonefire name brand it is. Let's see, they actually sort of open. Should be kind of a pocket. And there's not as much real estate in there as I had hoped. So they did a few different things, but they all involved these little mozzarella pearls and a sauce. So I'm gonna try it with this bruschetta sauce that I actually used last time. So I'm gonna cut it kind of wide because it's chunky. All right, so we're gonna do a little sauce. And I also still have some turkey pepperoni for a little protein. All right, maybe there's not gonna be room for pepperoni. How many mozzarellas can we get in there? I'm gonna shoot for 2. Look at that, big time blowout. Here, you get turkey pepperoni. I mean, it's cheese and bread, right? Like, cheese and bread, you can't go wrong. Oh, it is kind of getting warm. Okay. Whoop, whoop. I think it did soften the cheese a little bit. kind of pizza, but like better. That was pretty good. The naan gets a little crispy, and yeah, tasty. If you had a lot of time to sit there and snack. I want to try the basket though because I'm hungry, so I want to cook 4 at a time. Yep, it's gonna be 2. Oh no, I got an extra. Ball. This is hard with only one functioning thumb. Okay. Okay, taking this one off, and then I made another version, which has everything kind of sandwiched together. I didn't put it in the little mini naan. I just made a sandwich of it. Not bad, not bad. Points for ease with this setup, but less interactive. Last one. They don't seem as squishy as in the other versions. Oddly, not as satisfying as when they're in the pocket. Are you guarding camp? Thanks, bud. This is a coffee bourbon from Broken Top in Sisters. Just a little bit. Just ready for dessert. I am. Now, I have seen so many tempting s'mores variations. This variation is marshmallow, Ritz cracker, and lemon curd. They got me at lemon curd. And why a Ritz cracker? I don't know. It is supposed to be like lemon meringue pie, which would have a graham cracker crust, so you might as well just use graham cracker. But I get it. Salty, lemony, sweet.
Whoa. Wow. I don't know what fell on that, but...
I used to make my own lemon curd back when I had easy access to a lot of lemons from my friends. I mean, it's lemon, butter, egg yolk, sugar. Can't go wrong with that. All right, let's get our marshmallow. So I guess the idea is the marshmallow substitutes for the meringue. I could see that. I mean, it's pretty. Cheers. It is lemon meringue pie like. If you love lemon like I do, this is so good. So summery. I'm gonna make another one. Round 2. I cannot explain why that is so good. I had 3. But in the comments, people were like, why don't you just use a lemon Oreo and a marshmallow and make a s'moreo? And I have been wanting to try s'moreos. But then I thought, Oreos are great and all, but the cookie texture is a little hard. It's not giving me the pie thing. So This is my solution. So I don't know what you call a s'moreo with Milanos. Smilanos. And just to complicate matters, I was at Trader Joe's buying lemon curd, and they have these marshmallows, which are strawberry watermelon. This might be gilding the lily, but they are really tasty. They taste like watermelon. We're gonna give them a shot. We need to bisect this if we can. Oh, it just shatters. There's probably a reason people don't use Milanos. Too tender. Maybe I can more gently. Okay, no knife. Just kind of slide it there. Oh, damn it. All right, we have two halves. Okay. For the record, roasting totally destroys the cute strawberry pattern. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Kind of looks pretty. Pink. We may be onto something here. These Trader Joe's marshmallows that taste like watermelon, they go really well with the lemon. The Milano, however, a little too fragile, I think. You know, it's about 8:30 now. Still light as day. And I'm at that point where I have to decide if I'm going to put another log on, hang in there for the long haul, call it early, go inside, edit like I should, because I am so behind on the next video. Maybe I'll bring my laptop out here. Sounds like a compromise. I don't know what time it is. 9:30. And I think we're in for the night. Right, bud? I just don't know. I currently have the hatch open, just the screen on. And it's... I can barely see. It's almost 76 degrees in here. But it is supposed to get down to like 50 early in the morning. Question is, can I work from this angle? I think I can, but I am ready to take this brace off. Plus, it touches my trackpad. And it, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good morning. It is almost 6:30. I slept great. It didn't get too cold. I did get the other blanket out before we went to sleep because I thought it was probably gonna get chilly. And I put my little light cotton hoodie on. I did also, before I went to bed, put the rear hatch up and left maybe like a 4-inch gap. And then this morning about 4, got kind of cold, and all I did was put the window cover on. Yeah. Your bone? You want this? This is what you want. Okay, all ready. All right. As you may remember, if you've been around for a minute, my little out-in espresso maker finally pooped out. So many people was like, you have to just get an AeroPress, just get an AeroPress, just get an AeroPress. So I caved. I tried it at home twice. Pretty good, pretty good. So the first round was weak. It was so weak, and I think it's because my grounds were too coarse, so it just ran through there like a gas station burrito. So I took my grounds and I reground them to be finer. So I think that'll help. Oh, have I not opened this one? Yeah, I didn't know it came with some starter filters, so I had gone and ordered a box of 350. I think we're ready to rock and roll. Let's get this finished up because we have a breakfast experiment on deck. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, so I saw on social media people make an omelet in a chip bag with the chips in it. So that is what we're gonna do. And this is basically an omelet. It's 2 eggs, a little splash of milk, some bacon bits. All right, so I wanted sour cream and onion, but they didn't have it, so I got cheddar and sour cream. So I think that'll probably be good. Oh, I think you're supposed to crush these up. I hope my ratio is good. That might be too much potato to egg. I guess we'll find out. I feel like it's kind of like tortilla española. You know, you get the tapas bar. Oh, I forgot there's a bunch of shredded Gruyere in here too. All right. Close it up. And we're going to cook it in the water. As breakfast is cooking, of course I'm walking around kind of disassembling camp, and I forgot that I'd actually left the front side windows cracked a little bit too. I mean, with the window cover on, the WeatherTech, it doesn't let a whole lot of air in, but I feel like like it's a little bit between that and the hatch window. Yeah, that looks like an omelet. Hey, hey. Looky there. Don't ever be a social media person. You never get to eat a hot meal. It's so ridiculous. I kind of love it. I think cheddar and sour cream was the right choice, honestly. It's good. It's weirdly good. Definitely getting potato, obviously. I give it 4 out of 5. Would do again. I'll bring it to you. Just because it's your birthday, you get room service. Gunther is not much of a sweets guy, but he loves crunchy vegetables, especially sugar snap peas. And we've been getting them in the garden for several weeks now. They're just about done. It's getting too hot. But he loves to come out and get a crunchy sugar snap pea. Now, the price is you have to wear your birthday hat. Okay? There. Okay. Now you ready for peas? All right, I'll even string it for you. There isn't much of a string in them. Ready? Normally around this time, I'd take Gunther for a walk around the campground, but this one is very small. I think there are 10 sites, maybe 12. So we pretty much walked it yesterday. We're at the end, the far end from the camp host. And yeah, it was like a 5-minute walk from end to end. I think we're just gonna enjoy our vast campsite. Never did have any neighbors show up on either side, even though the bigger one on our left was reserved. Sorry, a large bird flew over. I was trying to see what it was. So this campground, maybe when the reservoir is full, probably more scenic. With it this empty, not super scenic. Also hard to get down to the water if you wanted to get in the water. But big points for seclusion and very quiet. Other than the people at the campground on the other side of the reservoir, it is pretty quiet, and they are far enough away that it's like distant. Good morning. You have a good nap? Yeah. What are you doing? Do you want another round of this guy? Mm-hmm. You gonna get this guy? All right, it is almost noon. We're all loaded up, got trash, dirty dishes, our fire thing, and just gotta get that guy and his leash and everything and hit the road. Okay, we're ready to go. There may be a lunch stop on the way home. I'm gonna check it out, but if not, I will catch you the next time. But I think we're gonna eat. I'm hungry. This must be the bar side. All right, so though it is a pizza place, everybody talks about the chicken, the roasted chicken. So I'm gonna give it a whirl. Potatoes look pretty good too. I mean, they're not JoJo's, but.
So I guess some people get super upset if you disclose which campsite you're at. So I definitely don't want to upset people. So I'm certainly not going to say which campsite I'm at this time.